Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the wrinkle care switch on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the switch is not working properly. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the appliance that we'll be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Keep in mind yours at home might look a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. So this knob right here controls our wrinkle care selector, and it's got two positions, on and off. So in order to get to the switch to replace that, we're going to have to turn the dryer around and take off this control panel. So we're going to start by turning our dryer around. So what we'll need to do is remove these screws up here in order to get the control panel off. Now that we've removed those screws, we can just tilt the control panel forward, and then we're going to slide our control panel to the side there and lift it out of the slots. So right here is our timer, and you can tell right here our dryer's seen some use. So what we're going to do is just get a piece of paper here and just wipe off a bunch of the dust and clean it off a bit. So right here is our wrinkle care switch from the other side. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to pull the knob straight off. Then on this side again, we're just going to unplug the wires, and those will just pull straight out. After we've got the wires unplugged, we're going to lift up on this metal tab and make that go over the plastic tab there. And then we should be able to pull the switch right out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement wrinkle care switch. And if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now you'll see right here, we've got two slots for locking the switch into place. And the switch has these two tabs. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the switch down, and we're going to make sure those tabs go into the slots. And we're going to twist the switch into place till it locks in. So now it's locked in. We can put the wires back in. Now we'll tilt the control panel up, and we'll put the knob back on. So we're just going to set the console back up, and those little tabs will go right into the slots, and we can push it back over, and then we're going to set it down and line up the screw holes. Now we can screw it back in. Now we can turn our dryer back around, and then once we do that, we'll plug everything back in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.